strawberry mixed with baking soda is a natural remedy that has been popularized by celebrities from Hollywood. So the fans of this method claim that the malic acid found in the strawberries will remove tooth discoloration, while the baking soda will remove the stains.
How many times has tooth pain kept you from sleep? Or how challenging has it been to overcome, trying to find a quick solution to eliminate it? Here, we have prepared 6 natural remedies that prevent and immediately heal these pains, without resorting to chemical treatments that may harm your overall health. Did you know that these nature-provided foods not only alleviate toothaches but also aid in preserving, strengthening, or even whitening your teeth? For instance, the mixture of baking soda on strawberries, cloves, or other food combinations that you will discover more about by watching the video.
My dear friends, toothaches can be dull, can be sharp, can be thrilling. So no matter how you feel it, it will always throw you out from your daily routine, making chewing and your state a problem. And in most cases, it appears over the night, making sleep somehow impossible. So of course, there are many options like pharmaceutical products for toothaches, but almost all of them have side effects in your digestive vital organs. Toothache can have multiple causes such as tooth decay, bacteria, viruses, or a cracked tooth, various gum diseases, and so on. So from the distant past to the present day, some ancient remedies have been passed down from some people to other people like me also to prevent toothaches. That's why I'm here. I'm Alex, and on this channel you will find very practical information, not so very well known in the medical new world, for lifespan, longevity, life extension, and quick and powerful and natural and almost for free remedies for several physical internal disorders. So now if you are in the state, in this mood to search for, this video is very good to know before. It's a practical guide verified by me and does not represent a cure for any disease, dysfunction, or physical condition. That's why please talk to your doctor first before starting to consume the things I want to mention down below in this video for you to discover, and if you want you can practice and then you can share it. So let's dive in. The first thing, my dear friends, is a remedy with cloves, or clove oil or sesame oil. Of course, you know, if you keep sesame oil for 10 minutes in your mouth, mixing every morning before eating will help you a lot with cleaning the bacteria from your mouth and resolve issues with the pain which sometimes appear. Also, cloves are the perfect solution to get rid of toothaches. So because they contain eugenol, because they have like a sweet taste and have numerous health benefits. In addition to these anesthetic and antiseptic properties, cloves have the ability to clean from the bacteria the oral cavity, eliminating bad breath very effectively. So if you want, you can add more clove oil or cloves instantly. It is quite an effective method for alleviating acute pain from your mouth. If you dip a cotton ball in clove oil, then apply it directly to the itching tooth, you will see results very fast. Using a whole clove, soak it in a warm honey first, then slowly mix the clove, rotating it around the itching tooth, and you will see also results through this method. The second remedy is garlic remedy, which contains allicin. The predominant substance in garlic have anti-inflammatory effects for your mouth and for your digestive system. So garlic can help you get rid very fast from toothaches. Prepare with the help of a mortar, a paste, and some garlic and salt. You can also use, if necessary, 1 or 2 drops of olive oil and homogenize mix until it becomes a paste. You can apply this paste exactly to the painful tooth or mass it and let it to act like 15 to 30 minutes or half an hour. So you can use this paste 3 times a day. You can chewing also the paste, and you will see it will relieve your pain like in a minute. So garlic also can be used for teeth that move to help them tighten. Rinse your mouth morning and night before sleep with a strong garlic tea. The way I'm doing it, I'm leaving the garlic into the water for 2 days or 3 days, and then like a cold decoct, and then I drink this tea or liquid or water garlic or whatever you want to call it. Before eating, I swallow it and I clean my mouth with it. The third thing, my dear friends, is a remedy with alcohol and pepper. You can apply alcohol compresses to the area where the pain is felt, helps to relieve it in short term. So this does not mean you must apply an alcoholic drink, but you can use, for example, vanilla essence or any other strong alcohol you have in the house which has enough alcohol to have like these quick results. How you can prepare it, like mode of preparation, you can have like a slice of toast, alcohol and pepper. You can soak a slice of toast into alcohol, then sprinkle it pepper over it. To relieve the pain, apply the slice of bread with the peppery side on the side of the face where you have this toothache, and you'll see results after 50 minutes to 45 minutes. So the fourth thing, my dear friends, is hydrogen peroxide, as we know it from the usual size oxygenated water. Mix it with sodium bicarbonate or baking soda. So whitening teeth with a strawberry mixed with baking soda is a natural remedy that has been popularized by celebrities from Hollywood. So the fans of this method claim that the malic acid found in the strawberries will remove tooth discoloration, while the baking soda will remove the stains. So baking soda has many uses, including perfect ally for teeth whitening. You can mix in equal proportion 1 teaspoon of oxygenated water of hydrogen peroxide and 1 teaspoon of baking soda. Mix until become a paste and wash your teeth and keep it in your mouth. Use it 3 times a week and you will clean your mouth and keep the bacteria away. I promise you that. The fifth thing for you is remedy with apple cider vinegar. Apple cider vinegar is an effective antibacterial agent with a high content of minerals and trace elements vital for our healthy body. So how you use it, like use with this vinegar, you can soak a piece of brown paper bag about the size of your cheek in vinegar, then put some black pepper or grated ginger, or depending on what you have on the side of the bag, and you can put the part with the salt on the side of your face where the tooth hurts, cover it with a bandage or keep it like sticky ones here and leave it there for at least half an hour. Do not remove it. Vinegar can be also used to ease tooth pain or after a tooth has been taken out. Put a piece of gauze that have been soaked in vinegar on the hurt area and you'll see results after you have this tooth taken out. The sixth thing is gargle with sesame oil and 1 teaspoon of or half of teaspoon of petroleum. Yes, petroleum, because this gas has disinfectant, anti-inflammatory, cicatrizing, vasodilating, anti-tumor properties a lot. So maybe it was because of these qualities that it cured our toothaches in the past, if we know from our grandparents and grandmothers and grandfathers. Sesame oil contains a large amount of antioxidants with anti-inflammatory properties. I recommend rinsing the mouth with a solution made of half of teaspoon of petroleum, to which you add a teaspoon or a full teaspoon of sesame oil, approximately 10 minutes to wash your mouth until the symptoms improve. So my pleas for you is do not believe these things because I'm saying you here. You please verify for yourself these dosages, these times, and you'll see that you can recover fast if you verify for yourself. So please comment below to see, to observe your status. If you have any observations, also please comment down below. We can make this world a bigger brain for this cosmos if we are more healthy than we were in the past.